So today on When I Have My Cafe, I'm going to be making you a sandwich that can do no wrong. You know, it's just so simple and so tasty. All you need is some bread that is buttered. Put it into a pan like this. You add some Gruyere, some mature cheddar, fresh mozzarella, onion, few blueberries, a little mash. Topple this over this. Let the cheese just melt very slowly. Oh my god, this is so cheesy. If you love cheese, then this is the sandwich for you. The blueberries in it, sweetness it lends to the cheese. Oh god, you have to try this.